Here's a 2013 Lexus LS460. From the powerful engine supplying breathtaking performance to a luxurious cabin filled with comfort and convenience features, this is a luxury sedan that offers an unmatched motoring experience. And get ready for an impressive combination of features: streaming audio, dual zone climate control, power heated mirrors, power sliding and tilting sunroof, V8 engine, gas pressurized shocks, external memory control, driver memory seats, rear-wheel drive, auto-dimming rear-view mirror, and front heated and ventilated leather bucket seats. Automobile declares, look up ride comfort and suspension compliance in your automotive dictionary, and there will be a picture of the Lexus LS460. Lexus, inspired design, relentless innovation, incredible performance. Stop in for a test drive and make it yours today.
Thank you for looking at this quality pre-owned vehicle from Audi Cary, a Leith dealership. We're located at 600 Auto Park Boulevard in Cary, North Carolina.